It's really about looking at the whole well-being of the individuals, whether that be the children, the staff, the parents, the family units, the communities that we're a part of, just to look at how we can support that best. So my role is to support the managers, support the staff, and support what we're doing as a project, kind of have an outlook of where I want it to go, just to move it forward and look for different ways that we can support the community and support the parents and support the children.
I've grown a lot in my role, and I started at the bottom as a junior, and it's over the last couple of years I've really grown in my role and been given opportunities to spread my wings. Obviously the wellbeing package as well has really helped me. Obviously I do wear glasses throughout my day and work, so it's really supported me with being able to buy my glasses and obviously help with a bit of money. I don't have my children myself, but I have colleagues in other nurseries that have really benefited from the free childcare. Obviously that came in since COVID, and Jodie's obviously felt that it's really good for all the members of staff to have this free childcare, because their children can come to work with them and they don't have to worry about bills.
I think our aim is just to be a part of the bigger picture, to be a part of trying to get people back on track, get everybody's mental health kind of more aware, being able to talk about it, being out in the open, being a part of a community that the children have an identity as part of, and just to help and look out for other people. So I think our project's just about being aware, making sure everybody's aware of everybody, just to make sure that we can make a difference.